Hey guys, good morning. Ow! This puppy is mean. So we got ourselves a puppy for Christmas, and this thing is so darn cute, guys. It's called Louisiana Calahoolie. I'm not sure if I said, sorry, Louisiana Calahoolie. There we go. And he is a pretty little thing, but he bites all the time. Like as much as Shayla does. But he's so cute. His personality is adorable. Watch this, guys. All I have to do is leave. All I have to do is get off the bed and watch what he does. He gets so upset over me getting off the bed. What? Oh, you changed it? I'm gonna watch him play. Watch him play. You should watch him play. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? I don't care. Did you get your toy? Did you get your toy? Did you get your toy? Oh, go to the camera. Did you get your toy? Is that your toy? Is that your toy, bear? Ow! Is that your toy? Is it your toy? Is it your toy? Is it your toy, bear? Is it your toy? Ow! Is that your toy? Is that your toy? Huh? Oh, he's got hiccups. Poor thing. So we're just sitting here just watching him today. I don't have anything else to do. But I cleaned the room somewhat. Okay, maybe a little. I still have all those clothes I have to fold. And I cleaned the room, guys. See? It's all clean. Somewhat. Okay, maybe it's slightly clean. Oh, he's stretching. So cute. Look at those balls, guys. You gonna get upset? Maybe he'll figure out how to jump down. Oh, and we finally got new posters up, too. My husband got himself a Nuka-Cola clock. We're pretty much going to do Nuka-Cola, I guess, in the bedroom. Well, Fallout, I guess. I like my Skyrim, so you guys all can see that. Decorated. Check our new sign. Gaming area. And then that's where my laptop is with my humidifier, my clock, which is working great, and my new poster. It's all good. Everything looks great, guys. It all looks intriguing. That puppy's on the floor. Puppy's on the floor. How'd you get off the bed? I didn't even see you get off. There he goes. Where'd he go? There's the puppy. Hi, puppy. Little puppy. There's the little puppy. There's the little puppy. Okay, go back up there and play. Cute little puppy. Cute little puppy. Cute little puppy. Cute little puppy. All right, guys. Well, I got some stuff I gotta go do, so I'll see you guys in a bit.